Friends, open PicsArt with this portrait size white background. I will give link in the description. Okay, open like this. Now after this you have to go to add photo. Okay, add photo and select the background. Simply zoom out and you have to rotate like this. By using this you have to zoom in. Okay, you have to zoom in completely like this. Okay, zoom in completely like this and arrange like this. Now tap on tick mark. Okay, again you open same background, go to add photo. Perfect. Now simply rotate like this, zoom in like this. Okay, zoom in like this. Perfect. You have to bring down a little bit like this. I have to zoom in. Now it is perfect. Tap on tick, go to tools, go to flip and rotate, tap on this vertical. Now tap on tick. Perfect. Perfect, friends. Now I have to go to add photo and select your model image. This is a model image. Now go to cutout tool, tap on this outline, decrease the size and we have to draw on the outline of the model image. You have to erase the complete background by using this cutout tool. Okay, you have to draw on the outline. Now tap on this arrow. How it look like. Now simply zoom in. Okay, zoom in and erase on the bottom portion like this. Okay, arrange your model perfectly like this. Okay, done. Now tap on this eraser, tap on the eraser. You have to erase on the bottom portion like this. Erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now it is perfect. Now I have to go to draw, zoom out, tap on layers, tap on empty layer, tap on this brush, tap on settings, hardness to 19, size around 82, full opacity set. Now tap on this colors. First set pink color, tap on tick. I have to draw on the left side. Now tap on these three dots, tap on this transform, zoom out by using two fingers and arrange like this. Now tap on tick. Now tap on here plus, take empty layer. Again you have to select color. This time you have to select blue color, aqua blue. Tap on tick and draw here. Now tap on layers, tap on three dots, tap on transform, zoom out and arrange like this. Now tap on tick. Now select the first layer, tap on here settings, scroll down, tap on overlay. Perfect. Second blue layer, tap on here, make it overlay. Perfect. Decrease little overlay, tap on pink layer and decrease little. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark, tap on discard. Okay, now go to add photo and select the coolest bat by PNG. This is a PNG. Now we have to go to blend, make it screen, rotate and you have to arrange on the left side top portion. Okay, you have to arrange in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick and you have to do a little adjustments in the PicsArt and the editing is completed. Tap on tools, go to adjust, give thoda brightness. Okay, 2, give a little contrast, clarity also a little bit, saturation also a little bit, decrease little highlights, give a little shadow and temperature also a little bit. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special coolest bad boy neon concept photo tutorial is completed, and save this image to gallery.